Hello, party people! Here we are. We're at Taylors Falls Bead Store because it's Taylors Falls Bead Store Day. Hello. And we are loving life. So let me show you what I'm going to purchase for us. Things and stuff. Oh, I hear Amber. Everybody wanted to know how Amber was doing. They were asking on the last YouTube video, how are you doing, Amber?
I'm super good, thanks. Woo!
So, maybe Amber can tell us about... I'm always like, hey, Amber. Can you tell us about these things that Randee would really want to have for herself?
Yeah. These things here?
Mm-hmm.
Those are brass inlaid with real turquoise, most likely from Tibet or Nepal or India. I know those are three very different countries, but came from a collection. I'm not sure exactly which collection, but they're obviously made to go together. I just came up the stairs, so I'm gasping for air. And then all of here we have the turquoise, which is considered American turquoise, though truth be told, Campitos is just across the border into Mexico, so we'll call it North American turquoise.
That's what I'm going to go with, I think, for this, just because it's a little more matching of the colors than, say, like the more blue American turquoise. So that's what we're doing. Would you like to show everybody your new hair?
Woo! I'd like to show everybody my awesome eyeshadow.
Oh, awesome eyeshadow. Okay.
Randee Brown hooked me up with.
Got a little Jeffree Star eyeshadow moment.
I just decided to go with all of them at once.
I see you also are wearing...
I pick one.
I see you're also wearing some Thunderhorse Descendant jewelry.
Yes, I am. I didn't go with the necklace today, but I went with the earrings. There's a matching necklace that goes with these.
Smashing.
Randee's always hooking me up with delicious treats, which I super appreciate.
Smashing. Well, you guys, this is what I got going on today. Just decisions all over the place. It's all, most of this is Sleeping Beauty. But I think I'm going to go with this one. A little more on the green side, and we'll see how this goes. I'm super excited. Oh. Okay, so is there anything else that I need to show everybody this week before we go onward?
I don't know. Does anybody need anything precious stone-wise out of this case?
Johanna, you're on camera.
Do they need any... anything?
Shit.
Did she pop her booty again?
She did! She smacked it a little.
I'm a booty popper. Hey.
These are my friends, okay? No judgment in the comments, please. Oh, she's got stuff for us. Okay, we're going to take a look. See, let me flip.
So these guys are all in sterling.
Oh my gosh. I have one of these. I have one of these.
This is leaded glass crystal. This is smoky quartz and a conglomerate jasper where they take up broken up pieces of dyed jaspers and then they fuse them all together.
Yes.
Jeff has a funny way of talking about that I can't remember right now. Bumblebee jasper and...
This is the one that I thought, was this the one that I was going to buy? Remember when I was in debate, I bought one. I think I bought, which one did I buy? I think I bought a spiral one. I can't remember. Anyways, and he was telling me, this one looks like a wet diaper. Do you remember that day?
No.
Dude, you
don't.
Soggy diaper pants. He said, you'll just look like grandma's soggy diaper pants.
Bro.
And I was, yeah. And I was,
Jefferson?
No, Jeff.
Bead store Jeff.
Yes.
That is not a good selling pitch.
That's what I told him. Anyway, I think that, but you know,
I see.
I think that's the one that I bought. So no fear.
Yeah. This is Bumblebee Jasper. This one looks for, but like of a different grade. Obviously, they saw the green in that.
Yeah, I don't really care for the middle point on that one. I guess
this one is.
That one's really bright.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I think it was a toss-up between this one and then I think there was a... I think I bought the Ammonite one. Do you remember this? Oh, you're going to be a princess? I love this. I love this for you. It matches your eyeshadow. Do it again. Do the crown again. No, the crown.
Sorry.
Yeah, a few bobby pins. You're good to go. So those are smashing. What is the prices on some of these bad boys?
Retail $150, $225, and $175. Christicola is $250, and Mrs. Crystal Pants is $175.
And those are all sterling set in sterling silver?
Correct.
It's a smash hit, I tell you what. So there's those guys. So we're just playing around a little bit here, as you can tell.
Very serious.
It's very
serious day at the bead store.
It's a very serious day at the bead store. But anyways, yeah, I got these going on. So I'm super excited about those. Anyways, I hope you're all having a wonderful, spectacular, amazing beading day. And if you're not, I hope you are now. Whoop, whoop. Do you ladies want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Thought she was going to pop the booty. Okay, you guys.
Knock some stuff over with it.
Bill, I thought you left.
I'm right here.
I'm right here.
Sweet dear Bill.
Here we are just being goofy. Sweet dear Bill's just at the table, just reading his newsletter. All right. I hope y'all have a wonderful night, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.